Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11. In the first step, search for power options, then click here to open it. Now click on additional power settings, then click on choose what the power buttons do and follow my screen. After that, close this window and in the next step, click here and search for PowerShell. Right click here and select run as administrator. Now you will get these commands in the description below, just copy them and simply right click on PowerShell and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt. In the next step, click here and search for Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, just select Startup and then disable all the applications which are currently running on your machine. Okay, now close this window. In the next step, click here and search for Device Manager. Then click here to open it. On this window, just expand Display Adapters and right click here and select Update Drivers. Now then click on Next and then close this window. Now close this again. Now click here and search for Turn Windows Features on or off and click here to open it. On this window, just scroll down and then uncheck this option and then click on OK and just restart your system. For the final step, now click here and search for Control Panel. Then click here to open it. Now click on System and Security. Then select Settings. On this window, select Advanced Settings. In the Advanced tab, click on Settings. Then go to Advanced tab. Then click on Change and uncheck this option. Now you have to follow my screen. Set all changes and then click here. After that, click on OK and apply and then OK. Now just restart your system and your problem will be solved. You're good to go.